This 2021 Keystone Cougar 29 RLD is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your sofa. And across from this is your kitchen. Here you have a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and a range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. Moving further into the back, you'll see your entertainment area with a flat screen TV, a multimedia head unit, and an electric fireplace. In the back of the trailer, you'll find your master bedroom. In the front, you'll find 2 recliners. Returning outside, you have 3 cameras for easy maneuvering at the campground. 1 backup camera and 2 on either side. On your entry side are 2 exterior speakers. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description. Or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.